Hi guys, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to check if baking powder is still good. Watch until the end of the video to understand the steps you should take. Put your water to a boil. First, ensure you boil water, then pour half a cup of water into a measuring cup. Keep it hot for use later. You could reheat it if it grows cold. Add baking powder. Into another bowl, add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Your baking powder should be dry and powdery. If it's cakey, it won't give the best results because too much moisture has already gotten into it. Pour the hot water over the baking powder. Now, pour your boiled water over your baking powder and watch for the results. If it's still good, your baking powder will immediately fizzle and bubble. Once you finish pouring the water, the bubbles will quickly subside. On the other hand, if it's not in good condition, it'll give you minimal bubbling, a delayed reaction, or no bubbling at all. This means your baking powder has stayed way past its expiration date, and it's thus time to replace it. How long does your baking powder stay good? The shelf life of your baking powder is 6 months if it's already been opened. If unopened, it can remain fresh for between 6 to 12 months. What is the best way to store baking powder to avoid it going bad? Baking powders come in an opened box, which should be transferred to an airtight container immediately. The container should not be exposed to light or moisture to remain dry and fresh for long. Can you still use expired baking powder? It's not recommended because it won't react as expected in your recipes. Your baking goods won't rise or spread. It is therefore better to do away with the bad baking powder and get a fresh one. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily check if your baking powder is still good. Thanks for watching. Till next time.